Hi, hello my slay queens, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this beautiful makeup look using all new products that I got from Amazon. So I am actually very excited for today's video because each and every single product I use in today's video was spectacular. I mean, you guys are going to enjoy this one. So before jumping on to the video, you guys, I do have to mention that Amazon is having wardrobe refresh sale, which will be starting from 18th December, and for Prime members, it will start early from 17th December. So you will be getting 50 to 80% off on all fashion and beauty products. So don't forget to check it out. And yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with the Color Bar Water Bomb Magic Water Cream Hydrating Glow Moisturizer, and it says 72-hour power hydrations. Now you only get 30 ml of product in here, and this retails for rupees 850. So I'm going to take one, two, three. I think three should be fine. Okay, so especially during winters, I love to use moisturizers or moisturizing primers. Because that's what works for my skin, or else my skin gets extremely dry like a Sahara desert. So we don't want that. And I'm going to put this all over, like even around my eye area and my face. This particular product, it just made my skin very smooth. I can feel that smoothness, so I think it is good to apply underneath your makeup because it definitely gives a smooth finish. Okay, so these lenses literally made my eyes like water. Anyways, so next I have these two base makeup products. Both are from Daily Life Forever 52 professional makeup, and I have the ultra definition liquid foundation, and I have their complete coverage concealer. The concealer is very dark for me, and it's in the shade number COV008. It's called as Piccolo, like a very sleek product. So I'm going to take my concealer brush. This is from Morphe, and I'll just start buffing this in. Okay, this definitely has really good coverage, and I think it matches like my skin tone perfectly. Like I can't highlight with this one, but I think just to like conceal, look at that, just to conceal my face, I think this performs great. Here I have some marks, so I'm just going to apply right over there, and look at that, it completely covered up that mark. Again, as you all can see, I do have some marks right over here, so let me try to cover that up. This product is just stunning, you guys. Look at that, it just covered up all of those marks so well. And I'm going to use a little like underneath my eye, give some even application. Okay guys, so as you all can see, this is the side I've applied the concealer, and look at the difference between this side and this side. It has covered up all of my marks so seamlessly. It doesn't even look like I have applied anything on my face, and that's how like traceless this particular product is. Oh my god, I'm really impressed. I'm just going to apply on this side as well. This concealer has just done a great job in covering up all of my marks and giving that like even toned look. Absolutely stunning. Like, next, moving on to foundation, we have this one. This is how the Forever 52 ultra definition foundation looks like that, a light velvet feel to it. It's a little different compared to the other cardboard packaging. So I got the shade FLF013, which is the shade Fudge. Also guys, one thing you have to keep in mind while purchasing this particular foundation is that like basically with other foundations, when you go a shade darker, for example, if you're this is 13 and if I'm going 14, you might think that is a darker shade, but no, that is actually light. And the foundation, like the naming and all of that is very confusing. Even I was very confused when I was selecting the foundation shade. I went on the Forever 52 website, I checked out all the shades, and then I purchased shade number 13. This is how the foundation looks like. Again, comes in this glass bottle packaging with pump, and which is very hygienic and also very easy to take the product out. So I've taken two pumps. It is not too thick, it's not too runny, it's right in between. Foundation looks quite fine, but it is very yellow. And with the help of a beauty sponge, I'm just going to blend everything out. Again, this is blending so easily. It has really good coverage. I think it has like medium to full coverage. It's not dewy, it's not too matte, it's just like a satin finish foundation. It gives a nice like skin like finish, which is what I like. I'm not doing anything much, and it is just blending so well. I still have some product left. So yeah, I did dot this side as well. I'm going to take this flat top kabuki brush. Again, this is from Morphe, and I'm just going to blend this out. It's just like blending out so seamlessly. I think coverage wise, the brush side has given me more coverage compared to the beauty blender side. This side just looks so nice and smooth, and this side, you can still see some of my marks. So I think with the brush, you can get good coverage. Look at that finish. It just looks so nice and flawless, and honestly I don't even feel like I have anything on my face. That's how lightweight like both the foundation as well as the concealer feel. And again, I'm going to take the sponge and I'm just going to dab everything. It takes out any of the excess foundation and makes just gives a nice smooth finish. So I do have a new blush. This is from the brand called as Charmacy Milano. Now I have been actually eyeing on this product since a long time on Amazon. I've seen like so many of their single eyeshadows and their blushes. So I want to like try out, and I literally got this yesterday. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and it's called as Charmacy Milano Cheek Enhancer, and this in number 02. So I'm just gonna swatch it right over here. So okay, this is how the blush shade looks like. It is such a beautiful blush, and it contains a ton of like gold like glitters, shimmers. So I don't know how that looks, so let me see. I'm just gonna try this one out. So I'm just going to apply. In person, I can definitely see some visible like shimmer glitters on my face, like the golden glitters. But for some reason, it's not emphasizing my texture. I do have some texture right over here, but it's not emphasizing any of my texture. It looks so beautiful. Again, I'm going to use a very light hand this time and apply this side as well. I did go over both the sides, so it's fine. I'm going to fix that later. So yeah, that's how my blush looks like. And again, I'm gonna take a slight amount and apply on my nose too. Just use a little right over here. So yeah guys, that's how the blush looks like. I'm so impressed about this blush as well, and it looks really pretty. Okay guys, so the next product is the product that I'm actually very much excited about. It's the Charmacy Milano Insane 12 color palette. Let me just show you something. Actually, this eyeshadow palette and the blush came in such a big box. Look at that box size. They just literally put this and the blush. They didn't even wrap this eyeshadow palette in bubble wrap, nothing. And what do you think happened? It came completely shattered. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. Again, packaging wise, I really like it. It looks so nice and stunning. It has this like a metallic brown shade. It says Charmacy. Comes with a good mirror. And this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like, except the mattes and some metallic shades. Everything else came completely broken. This and this. These all came broken. I did try to fix everything as much as possible, but oh my god, the shades are so stunning, you guys. So actually, because of that, what happened, they refunded my money. At the same time, I get to keep this palette, so I feel so happy because I literally got this palette for free. Okay, I'm just gonna swatch all the shades and I'll show you how they look like. Okay, so these are all the shades, and this is how beautiful they look like. Both shimmers and mattes, they both like swatched so well, as you all can see. Let me quickly do some eye makeup look. Okay, so first I'm going to take this brown shade with this one, the fluffy brush. Apply this in my crease and also on my outer corners. Wow, it has really good like pigmentation, and it's also blending out so smoothly. Zoom you guys a little closer so you guys can see like what exactly is happening. So again, wow, look at that pigmentation. So good. And outside I'm just going to wing it out like that. Next I'm going to take this color This is a little powdery. Okay, and I'm going to apply this, on the inner part, just right there. Oh, that looks so good and it is so damn pigmented. Okay, so next I'm going to take this, this khaki green shade, and I'll be using all these three greens today and start, applying just closer to my outer corners, not completely on the outer corners, but very close. So I'm gonna take it there. It's blending out so well, and even the pigmentation is on point. Next, I'm going to take this metallic shade and apply. Okay, actually nothing is seen, so I'm going to take my finger and just apply this. That is so intense. And take another green, this green, and apply on my centers like that. So it adds a nice pop. Again, I'm going back with that same shimmery shade and I'm going to intensify my inner corners. That is such a stunning color. Okay guys, and lastly I'm going to take this black shade. I'm just going to, like smoke out my outer corners like that. I'm going to use that white, that bone sort of a shade. And I am totally impressed with how this, entire eyeshadow palette performed. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye and I'll be right back. So yeah guys, this is how my eye, eyeshadow looks like. I completed this side of my eye as well. I also did my mascara and applied some, kajal. I mean, I just love how my eye makeup look turned out. Look at that. Look at those shades. So freaking pretty, absolutely love it. So, and for my lips, lastly I have a Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color and it's in the shade New Dream. Guys, so that's how it looks like. So yeah guys, recently I also did purchase the PAC Retro Matte Gloss and this is in the shade number 38 Posh. I'll try to apply even this and we'll see how it looks, because right now I don't like this shade with this eye look. Again, this looks okay. It looks at least better. I did apply a little bit of concealer to make it a little light, and that's how the lip shade looks like. Okay, so since we have that peachy color, I'm going to take this this peach tone shade from the palette and I'll just apply it on my crease to make it look more like tied together. So again, I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line as well. Okay, so this side matches my lip color much better compared to this side. So again, I'm going to take the same, peach color and do the same thing. Okay, so that looks much better. It ties in with my lipstick now. Guys, this is how my makeup look turned out. Oh my god, I just love how especially my eye makeup is looking right now. So let me just quickly, like break down all the products that I use. Coming to the primer or this moisturizer, I would say it's not like, that, like a must-have product. It is good. It did give my skin a nice hydration and also like smoothen out my face, but I don't think this is like that must-have product. And for the price, I definitely feel like you will get much better products compared to this one, because you're only getting 30 ml for 850 and I think it's a little steep. So next I use the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer, and this is a full coverage sort of a concealer. It's absolutely stunning and I would highly recommend you guys. It's really nice. So next I use this Forever 52 Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation. This is a medium coverage foundation, but you can definitely build it up to almost full coverage. But anyways, all in all, I really love both the products from Forever 52. And let me know in case you guys want like a detailed review on any of these products, because I'm thinking of doing one, but just for my first impressions, I really like this product. So okay guys, so moving on to blush. Now if you like shimmery sort of a blushes, you can definitely go with it. It has that golden shimmer particles and it looks actually very pretty, and it doesn't emphasize my texture, so I don't mind it at all, and it gives a beautiful glow onto my cheeks, as you all can see. Also pigmentation wise, it is really nice and it blended out very well. Next, moving on to the eyeshadow palette I use is this Chamasi Milano's 12 color eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, you guys already know my thoughts on this palette. It is a stunning palette. If there is that one product I would recommend from today's video, I would say go for this. This is actually very nice. I know it is a little expensive. It is like for 1,650 rupees, but the packaging, the palette, and also the quality of these eyeshadows, they just perform like a high-end eyeshadow palette. So I would highly recommend you guys to check it out. So moving on to my lipsticks, I did try out like these two lipsticks. So the first one I used is the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. Now this one, I'm not that happy about the the pigmentation. It's a very like a sheer sort of a lipstick, and I could clearly see the pigmentation on my lips even though I was trying to build it up. So I don't know, like I still want to try out some other like different shades from this range, and I'll see like if it works or not, but so far I'm not that impressed. Next, and the last thing that I used in today's video is this PAC Retro Matte Gloss in the shade Posh. This one is amazing, you guys. Like if you don't know, it's one of my most favorite formulas. I already have like 4 to 5 lipsticks in the same range, and I absolutely love this formula. I think it's one of the most comfortable liquid lipsticks in the market, and this retails only for rupees 550, which is again very great. Again, I highly recommend this. So as I mentioned before, again Amazon is having their wardrobe refresh sale, so don't forget to check it out. They have 50 to 80% off on fashion and beauty products. Even if you want to purchase any products that I mentioned in today's video, do check out the description box. I have mentioned all the links, and if you go to my last link, which is my haul store, you can see every product that I used today, and that will be very easy for you. And I will catch you all next time with another interesting one. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slaying. Bye guys.